Well, National Drug Take-Back Day is happening on October 27th this year, and it's a chance for you to get rid of all your unused, unwanted, or expired prescription medications in a safe manner. And with us today to talk about the event is Greeley Police's Officer Ballati and Kim Fairley. Thank you all for joining us today.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Now, first let's do the nitty-gritty details. It's October 27th, but what are the times and what are the different locations people can drop off in the Greeley area?
The times for all three locations are 10 in the morning till 2 in the afternoon. The three locations are here at the Greeley Police Department, which is 2875 West 10th Street. We'll be manned here. We also have a location for Evans at the Sam's Club parking lot, 3247 23rd Avenue, Evans, Colorado, and also at the University of Northern Colorado at the University Center, which is at 2045 10th Avenue. The times are all the same for all three locations.
Fantastic. And if people want to get more details about those times and specifics, there's a Facebook event for this, and you can also go to the police's website at greeleygov.com/police and get the poster and all the details. But now, Kim, I want to talk a little bit about the reason for this entire event, because it's not just an excuse to clean out our medicine cabinets, but what is an event like Prescription Drug Take-Back Day so important to a community like this?
So Prescription Drug Take-Back Day has become very important because we have an opioid crisis. And so it's become a really big public health concern. And so it's more about getting those prescription drugs out of the hands of individuals that shouldn't have the drugs. And so we want everyone to be aware that your prescription drugs are, anyone can get your drugs out of your cabinet. So think about those individuals that are in your home on a regular basis. And I've heard stories, so I know that your children, your grandchildren, family, neighbors, real estate agent, plumber, anyone can get access to your medications. And so in order to keep them out of their hands, we would like everyone to remember that you have the take-back events twice a year.
And we all want to think that we don't know, that would never happen in my house, but there's a lot of these things that happen accidentally, or if there is some people with some bad intentions out there. But it's an easy way just to get rid of those medications, and some people are worried about their information when they drop these things out. This is a completely anonymous event, correct?
This is absolutely anonymous, and I think Officer Ballati can speak to that.
Correct, Brian. That's been brought up several times when people are dropping off stuff. Should I take the labels off? Should I get rid of packaging? No, you don't have to. It stays totally secure. We collect it here. It goes in very large, heavy plastic garbage bags. They stay with me from me picking them up or me getting them to when I deliver them that afternoon to the Drug Enforcement Administration. It is totally secure. From Drug Enforcement Administration, it goes to a giant EPA-approved incinerator where everything is totally burned, but nothing goes in the atmosphere. So it's a completely secure process.
So it's very, very easy for people to go. You're not going to get in trouble. This isn't a sting operation. We're trying to find out who has extra Percocets laying around their house. This is a way to get rid of it so it doesn't get into the wrong hands or do something bad to somebody else.
Absolutely. And I just wanted to make a plug because I think that this is a really great opportunity and has been for the past few years for public health and law enforcement to come together, because it's a new relationship for us, but it also gives us a new face to say this is more about law enforcement than about, this is not about law enforcement. This is just about our public health crisis, and we're all working together to help get the drugs out of the medicine cabinets and off the streets.
And Kim does know she's talking about, she's with the Centennial Area Health Education Center, so she knows the ins and outs of a lot of these different issues that can come about with this. So thank you for sharing your insight with us with that today.
Thank you. And I actually work out in eastern Colorado, so we do drug take-back events all over the state of Colorado, and I am bringing this out to eastern Colorado and sites where we do not yet have take-back events. I hope to promote this and to be able to bring it to more locations so individuals have access to drop off their medications.
Well, hopefully it'll be a big success, because I believe you have some numbers of what we've collected in the past or this year for the drug take-back events.
I do, Brian. Some interesting numbers. And to run with a little bit what Kim said, you don't have to be a Greeley resident to drop off at any of our three take-back locations. If you live out east, wherever, you need to come. We'd like to do that. And actually, one of our goals is to increase our numbers. We had approximately 800 pounds taken in April. But a couple of interesting numbers. There were 63 law enforcement agencies that participated in the April event. There were 86 collection sites as part of that. The interesting number, at the April 18th, or the April 2018 event, 949,046 pounds were collected nationally. Colorado contributed 17,156 pounds. Pretty significant numbers. It's over 8 tons. Since the beginning of this program with drug take-back and law enforcement collaboration, there have been 258,170 pounds collected by Coloradans. And the City of Greeley has approximately, again, 700 pounds 6 months ago, which we'd really like to increase that number. So as Kim spoke, it's imperative that these expired medications get taken out of the home setting for a safer environment, a safer city.
That is a lot of drugs that have been taken back. So thank you so much for what you both do to make this happen, and congratulations and good luck on another good event coming up on October 27th. Drug Take Back Day. You want to get rid of your stuff? Check your medicine cabinets. Keep your homes safe. Bring them down to Drug Take Back Day, 3 locations in Greeley, and get information on their Facebook event, or just go to greeleygov.com/police.